So I'm working on this new series on this channel where I go onto people's Instagram accounts, like all these financial gurus and stuff like that that say I'm an entrepreneur. I go on their accounts and I check out the posts and I see the validity of it, right? But I'm not just gonna be reviewing it. I just want to focus on one post for this video. Maybe later on I can review an entire like account and be like, yo, this guy is fake or whatever, is a fraud. But for this video right now, I want to focus on this one post that I read this morning, I think, right? And it's all about how to make $200 extra a week by doing simple things out there, right? And the first thing this guy says, and I think the guy's name is like Get Your Money Right or whatever. I'm gonna put like a link to his Instagram down there if you want to check it out. The first thing he says, the first way to actually make $200 extra a week is by selling 20 ebooks. And there's a lot of ways to sell ebooks. You can either sell your own ebook that you create and you market and you sell, or you can sell somebody else's ebook and then get like a 20% commission, even 30, 40, even 50%, depending on whose ebook you're actually selling and what their commission rate is, right? If you want more information on that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be making videos about all that stuff later on. Because to make an ebook, he says like, oh my gosh, to sell 20 ebooks, right? But to actually sell 20 ebooks, you need an ebook, right? You need to create it, you need to learn how to market it, and you need to also learn how to sell it, which is the most important thing. And how do you sell something without creating it? It's very hard. So I'm not going to go in so deep into how to do all that stuff because I'm going to leave that for another video. I just want to get through how to make more money, maybe an extra $200 a week. And then later on, I'll do like more descriptive videos on it, right? Because I don't want to make this video too long. So the second thing you can do to make an extra $200 a week is by taking paid surveys online. Now, I'm pretty sure 100% that this is bull-ish because there's no way, and I'm saying this, and I don't even know it, right? But I remember I made a video, if you guys remember last time, saying if you want to earn a little bit more money on the side, you can take surveys online and you can do reviews for other people, but they do not pay that much, you know? So taking online surveys are probably going to just give you like maybe like 10 cents, $1, $3 max. And if you want to do like reviews and stuff like that, with actually send you the products, maybe you'll get paid like $3, maybe $5 if you make a video about it. And then you get to keep the product and you sell it, you make 20 bucks. But to make $200 off of just doing surveys, there's only one way that I actually know how to do that. And this is just like, so you guys know, is by doing P&K research. It's like a research company and they help you do surveys. You can actually subscribe to them like online or whatever. I actually done a survey for them. Like it was like taste testing some vegetarian sausage. It was very good, by the way. I really liked it. But then they asked me to come back and it was like way too far. So it wasn't really worth it for me. So I was like, nah, I'm out. I got paid like $60 just for doing like one of them. So you do like 4 of them a week and then you made like 120 and 240. So you make $240 if you do 4 of them a week. But they have to call you. So it's very hard to get 4 a week. You never really know. It's unreliable. So this is BS. Now, learn to swing trade stocks. First of all, anything that has to do with trade stocks, I don't want you guys doing because like I say, everything in my video is long term. If you want someone that's like short term, you're gonna get cash right now and the next day you're calling me, Tommy, I'm broke. I don't know what I did. I tried to trade the stock and then it just went down. What do I do now? I'm like, hey, I told you, it's long term, baby. So anything with trading stocks, I don't want you guys to do. So this is BS. Buy from garage sales and flip. This actually works. Now, this can be something that's like way bigger than $200, by the way. It's not just like $200 because I remember, and I'm always telling you guys this story. I remember going to Goodwill and literally shopping with my friend Melvin, and we bought like literally dolls, we bought like books, we bought a whole bunch of stuff, we bought jackets, pens. Then we went to another place where they sell like reused stuff and we bought this doll, right? It was from the Trilogy of Terror. It was a big action figure doll like this, and we bought a whole bunch of other things like cups, snow globe. We bought a snow globe too, right? Now you're probably telling me, Tommy, that costs a lot of money. I don't have that much money, so how do I do that? Bro, if you don't have $100 and you can't save up $100, then get a job and then save up some capital and then you can start doing this stuff, right? Because you do need a little bit of money to actually get started. So maybe do the reviews and maybe just do like the selling the ebooks and make commission off of it. You can get money like that to do what I'm telling you right now. So we sold the doll. We bought it for $100. We sold it for $400. We bought the dolls for like $7. I think it was like $2, $3 each. We sold it for $25 each. We bought the snow globe for $3. It was broken. We sold it for $70. So there's a lot of money to be made in reselling things, and you just got to learn the value. If you don't know how to assume the value of any product out there, it's very easy. Just go on eBay, look at the product that you're holding. So if I'm holding like, do I have anything on me right now? Somebody's selling me a PS4 controller, right? And then I'm like, okay, It's a PS4 controller. I know they go for like $60 new, but how much do they go for like used? And is it like limited edition because it's a Star Wars one? I don't know all this information, right? The guy wants $1 that's selling it to me, right? So what do? I go on eBay, I search up this exact model by taking a picture of it or like scanning the barcode at the back, and then eBay's gonna tell me, well, this is what they sold for. And I always go to like the sold for section of eBay. It's like you go into the filters and you click show sold, and that way you know what it actually sold for, not what people are listing it for. Because someone out there could be listing it for like $1,000, but no one's gonna buy it. Look up what it actually sold for. So if it's sold for 40 bucks, that's like, and you're buying it for $1, you just made $39 just by buying a product. So that's pretty good. So this one is not BS. Now we're in the 4th, I think, right now. So get a part-time night or weekend job. Now, I kind of agree with it, right? You can make easily maybe 200, 400, 500, even an extra $1,000 in just 2 days in a weekend. You're probably telling me, Tommy, how do I do that? Bro, take a bartending class or just take any classes out there, and you can literally, like, bartenders, like, they make like $200, $300 a night, especially on the weekends. If you get like a good gig, like, you make a ton of money. But I don't want you guys to do that at all. And why is that? It's because you already have a job Monday through Friday. So I don't need you trading your time on the weekend for more money. I need you on the weekends to actually be like trying to build a business, to trade your expertise for money, and that's actually better. So try to start a business on the weekends and actually try to do that. I don't agree with this one. That's kind of like BS. But if you're out there and you actually want to build capital to like buy a house or real estate or whatever you're trying to buy or anything like that, then that's actually a good option if you're willing to like trade your time for money and literally have no life because you're working from Monday to like Sunday. So I don't recommend it. It's not a good balance. So stop. Anyways, so now the 4th, I think the 5th one, become an online freelancer for your skills. Now, I do know a lot about this stuff because I've actually tried to sign up to become like an online freelancer, like to do video editing, to do like camera work, and it actually works. You know, you can get gigs or whatever, but you got to make sure that you have a portfolio, your prices are actually competitive, and people are actually hitting you up, and you're also being responsive. And you can also even sign up to teach someone in China how to talk English for like $30 or $20 an hour. There's a lot of things out there you can make money online trading your skills for money. So this actually works, and if you actually want to do it, you gotta go. I'm gonna make a video about all this stuff, guys. So I'm just trying to like put it out there to what they're actually saying, but I'm gonna make a video detailing methods of all this stuff. The 7th one is create an online audience and sell ads / shoutouts. I think that's BS. Like, I think it's okay, you can do that, but like you'll probably get like 30 or 50 bucks per that. But I don't think your main focus is, if you're trying to like make an audience online, I don't think your main focus should just be like to do shout outs and like create ads. Like as soon as you like create this audience, this big audience, and you're giving them value, like create a real product that's going to give them even more value, and you can make more money like that. But don't focus on ads and shout outs. That just sucks. Now, the 8th and 9th one are very similar, which is basically like manage ads for businesses and actually try to build a business, a website, or something like that, right? That's very similar. It actually works. And I remember when I was doing the Ty Lopez course on marketing and like social media marketing and all these things, he told me to do this stuff. And I went to a business and actually did it. And that business was willing to pay me $1,000 a month to actually do that. So it works. It works. It works. It works. So guys, this is a new segment. I'm starting the channel. So let me know in the comments down below if you actually like this new segment. And if you do, I'll make more and more and more and more. But don't worry. I just know, I know that these are just a list of things, but I'm going to make future videos on each one individually and actually get you methods to actually get it started on making more and more money. Guys, my name is TommyBryson. If you don't know me, you know me now. Subscribe, like, comment, and do all that stuff. It really helps the channel out. One comment gets the video 1,000 views, bro. So subscribe. Let's test it out. I'll see you guys later. Peace. You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna reach the top. You've gotta watch all the